Hi class, how to make sugar-free chocolate almond bark. In America, there is over 25 million people diagnosed with diabetes. Diabetes is a disease that affects the whole family, whether you're the parent, sibling, or other family member. Your support and understanding can make all the difference. With one of my family members diagnosed with diabetes, we as a family have changed our eating habits so that our loved one can maintain proper glucose levels and stay healthy. These changes also keep the rest of the family healthy too. But there is one thing that people love, and that is chocolate. With modern advancements in development of sweetener substitutes, diabetics and people on sugar-free and low-carb diets can still enjoy the great tasting sugar-free treats, especially chocolate. Today I'm going to show you how to make sugar-free chocolate almond bark. Sugar-free chocolate almond bark is a great treat that does not raise the glucose levels and is made with a sweetener substitute, stevia. The ingredients that are needed to make chocolate almond bark is 6 tablespoons of butter, which we have right here, 1 ounce, which is just one of these cubes of unsweetened chocolate. We need a 1/4 cup of Hershey's cocoa plus 2 tablespoons, and Truvia, which is actually stevia, which comes from a plant in South America. It's a substitute sweetener. We also would need a half teaspoon of vanilla. And to garnish it at the end, we have almonds and we have unsweetened coconut. Now to begin here, what we are going to do is you're going to take parchment cooking paper and you're going to line an aluminum tray. I generally put some clips here so that it holds the paper in place. Now for time purposes, I have already melted the baker's chocolate and the butter in my chocolate warmer here, and it's all melted. So with this, I have the pre-measured Hershey's cocoa. I'm going to go ahead and dump this into our mixture here, and I'm going to stir this up really good. Now with stevia, you only require half the amount that you would use for sugar. In this case, if you're using regular sugar, you would use a 1/4 cup of regular sugar. In this case, I'm using the stevia, which is the Truvia brand that I'm using, and it requires 6 packets, which is only half, which is probably about an 1/8 cup of the sugar. So here we go. We're going to dump this in, and we're going to stir this up. Let it sit there for a second. Make sure it's mixed in well. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my half teaspoon of vanilla. With that, I'm going to go ahead and stir this up. You want to mix it up really well so the chocolate is really smooth. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my almonds here, and I'm just going to throw the almonds, some in the bottom, and I'm going to take my mixture here, and I'm going to pour it right over the top. Covering all the almonds. I'm then going to go ahead and I'm going to take some more almonds and just throw a couple of them on the top here. And then I'm going to put some coconut. This really makes a great treat. My family loves this. And then, when that's all done, you just take your chocolate almond bark and you put it in the refrigerator for a couple hours. And your final result is chocolate almond bark, sugar-free and good for you. Thank you.